My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that are related to the website Gate37.xyz. Some people may pretty suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the website Gate37.xyz. All these pop-ups are totally faulty and deceptive. You should not interact with them. The pop-up claims that you need to press allow button to watch some video, but in reality it's a mistake to do that. If people click on allow, their browser gets hijacked and infected. People start receiving the great number of pop-up ads that will be attacking the screen in the right part of it. So be very careful, don't click on that allow button. And if the allow button was clicked by mistake, you should fix your browser right away. Go to the menu, go to settings. You may see some of these ads, by the way. So to deactivate them, go to settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. Now in permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. You will find some of these malicious sites, including Gate37.xyz. Make sure you click on that button, on this related button, and remove the junk site from the list. And if you see other deceptive sites like that, make sure you remove them too. Finally, I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program. Then, after it gets successfully installed, start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.